Hello, and thank you for joining us for the Baden and New Hamburg Water and Wastewater System Servicing Review Virtual Public Consultation Center Number 1, or PCC. The goals of this Virtual Public Consultation Center is to provide an overview of the process that will be followed for the project, introduce the project and detail why it's being completed, and provide background information on the Baden and New Hamburg water and wastewater systems. This Virtual Public Consultation Center also provides you with an opportunity to get involved in the project and aims to answer any questions the public or stakeholders may have. A PDF of this presentation, including a transcript and additional information on the project, is available on the Region of Waterloo's website if you'd like to review it in more detail. A link to the website is provided in the video description below. We encourage you to review the information and contact a member of the project team by phone or email if you have any questions or would like to provide your thoughts to the project team. Comments received during this study will be used to identify a recommended approach for current and future water and wastewater infrastructure needs in the communities of Baden, New Hamburg, and Foxborough Green. Contact information is provided at the end of this presentation and on the Region of Waterloo's website. To better understand the project, we asked the following 3 questions. What are we doing? Why are we doing it? And what does it mean to you? To answer the first question, the region is assessing the current water and wastewater treatment systems that serve the communities of Baden and New Hamburg. This study will look to assess infrastructure needs for future growth approved under the region's official plan and consider any outcomes from the new regional official plan review currently underway. This study excludes the local water main and sewer extensions, which are the responsibility of Wilmot Township. Next, why are we doing it? The region is taking steps now to ensure the regional water and wastewater system is ready to meet the future servicing needs of the Baden and New Hamburg communities through the region's infrastructure. The region will also be exploring alternative servicing options and opportunities for the Foxborough Green community. What does it mean to you? Current and future servicing needs may require the construction of new water supply and wastewater infrastructure, or upgrades to existing facilities, which may also need land acquisition. This is your opportunity to get involved with the planning process. Specifically, what are some of the key factors that are important to you that should be taken into account during this study? Let us know by filling out a comment form available on the region's website and providing the form to a project team contact as listed at the end of this presentation or on the Region of Waterloo's website. The Municipal Class Environmental Assessment, or EA process, is a 5-phase planning process that is approved under the Ontario Environmental Assessments Act. All municipalities in Ontario are required to complete a Municipal Class EA when planning infrastructure projects. This municipal servicing review will be completed to satisfy the first 2 phases of the Municipal Class EA process for projects which have been identified through the study. These steps include identifying the problem or opportunity, developing and evaluating alternative solutions and identifying recommended solution, and confirming and presenting preferred solution and potential environmental impacts and proposed mitigation measures. We are currently in Phase 1 of the study. The second and third virtual public consultation centers will take place during Phase 2, where we will provide more information on the evaluation of alternative solutions and preliminary recommended water distribution and wastewater treatment infrastructure for public review and comment. Following the confirmation of the preferred solution and the presentation of potential environmental impacts and proposed mitigation measures, a project file report will be prepared to summarize the decision-making process for the public and stakeholders. A 30-day review period will be provided for the public and stakeholders to review and comment. The study area for the Baden and New Hamburg Water and Wastewater System Servicing Review includes the communities of New Hamburg, Baden, and Foxborough, as illustrated by the map on the slide. The communities of Baden and New Hamburg are currently serviced by a two-tier water and wastewater system operated by the region in partnership with the Township of Wilmot, who operates the water mains. There are currently 6 locations that provide water services to Baden and New Hamburg and 5 locations that provide wastewater services. This system servicing review will assess the region's portion of the current water and wastewater system that serve the study area. The review of the current and future infrastructure needs within the community will be based on the region's 2011 Master Plan Update, the 2015 Regional Official Plan, and any outcomes from the new Regional Official Plan review underway, the Township of Wilmot's 2019 Official Plan, the recommendations from the region's 2018 Wastewater Treatment Master Plan, and current development applications. This study considers the water supply and wastewater requirements for the whole study area for the region's assets. The region of Waterloo is expected to continue to grow as identified in the Regional Official Plan. These changes will lead to an increased demand for water and increased production of wastewater. This system servicing review will assess the current state of the region's assets in the communities of Baden, New Hamburg, and Foxborough Green and identify preferred solutions to ensure it is able to service the identified growth. Do you agree with the problem opportunity statement? Are there any other considerations? Let us know by filling out a comment form available on the region's website and providing the form to a project team contact as listed at the end of this presentation or on the Region of Waterloo's website. There are a total of 10 wells and 2 storage and/or treatment facilities within the study area. The following map provides an overview of the existing water system that serves the communities of Baden, New Hamburg, and Foxborough Green by illustrating the exact location of the wells, storage and/or treatment facilities, as well as the local water main system. The region's water infrastructure is shown on the map in blue and yellow. There are a total of 6 sanitary pumping stations and 2 wastewater treatment plants within the study area. The following map provides an overview of the existing wastewater system that serves the communities of Baden, New Hamburg, and Foxborough Green by illustrating the exact locations of sanitary pumping stations and wastewater treatment plants within the study area, as well as the local sanitary sewers and force main system. The region's wastewater infrastructure is shown on the map in purple and yellow. This map provides a high-level overview of the archaeological and cultural heritage resources that are present within the study area, including individual heritage resources that are designated under Part 4 of the Ontario Heritage Act, resources that are listed on the Municipal Heritage Register, and the New Hamburg Heritage Conservation District. A more detailed assessment of these resources will be undertaken once proposed infrastructure is identified. Following this PCC, the project team will review input on the information presented. We will continue with our environmental investigations and development of alternative solutions for water distribution and wastewater treatment infrastructure, including potential new facility locations. These findings and preferred alternatives will be presented at our second PCC for public and stakeholder review and comment. Following PCC 2, the preferred alternative will be identified, and the project team will work to develop and evaluate the design of the preferred alternative. The preferred alternative will be presented for public and stakeholder review and comment at the third and final PCC. Feedback received as part of PCC number 3 will be used to finalize the draft final report. The draft final report will then be published for 30 days to allow for public review before going before Regional Council. Thank you for your participation in the Baden and New Hamburg Water and Wastewater System Servicing Review Virtual Public Consultation Center. We are still at the beginning of the Baden and New Hamburg Water and Wastewater System Servicing Review and look forward to presenting the public and stakeholders with more information as the project progresses. Do you have any questions about the information presented here? Would you like more information on any alternatives or the evaluation process? There are many ways to get in touch with the project team. You can fill out a comment sheet available on the region's website and return via mail or email to a member of the project team, or you can contact a project team member directly by email, telephone, or mail at the addresses listed. As a reminder, more information, including copies of project notices and public consultation center materials like a transcript of this virtual presentation, can be found at www.regionofwaterloo.ca/water projects.